Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
India is considering an American anti-missile umbrella to protect the Delhi region from enemy rockets, drones and aircraft. The National Advanced Surface-to-Air Missile System is being considered for the Delhi Area Defence Project to provide aerial protection to the capital from airborne threats. US defense officials have given presentations to the Air Force and other concerned agencies, and the proposal is now being considered by the government. The same anti-missile system is used by the Americans to guard their national capital region in Washington, D.C., and has been in deployment since 2005. The program would be running simultaneously with the indigenous ballistic missile defense shield project. India has already started inducting the Spider missile systems into the Air Force, and some of the systems have already been deployed on the western frontier. India has also signed a deal worth 17,000 crore rupees for medium-range surface-to-air missile system with Israel. The Indian Air Force appears to be facing a mid-air refuelling crisis, and its plans to induct modern tankers to expand the strategic reach of its fighters haven't yet taken off. The Indian Air Force operates 6 IL-78 planes, which were bought in 2003 at 132 crore rupees per aircraft. The Indian Air Force is yet to float a new tender for 6 new midair refueling tankers, costing upwards of $2 billion. According to CAG report, the serviceability was poor due to frequent failures, inadequate repair facilities, and poor maintenance support from the manufacturer, which are adversely impacting operations. The desired serviceability of the IL-78 fleet should be 70% by Indian Air Force's own standards, but it stood at 49% during 2010 to 2016, which means, at any given time, barely half of the planes were available for missions. To avoid delays, the Ministry of Defence has decided to delegate administrative and financial powers to the Border Roads Organization. The Defence Ministry intends to bring transformational changes in the organization in order to improve the pace of execution of works and to achieve desired outcomes according to the requirement of the armed forces. With the intent to speed up the tendering process, the Ministry of Defence has enhanced the powers of Chief Engineer for the acceptance of bids with cost of contract up to 100 crore rupees, and that of additional DG for cost of contract up to 300 crore rupees. The Ministry of Defence has approved policy guidelines based on which the Border Roads Organization will engage big construction companies for taking up road projects on a turnkey basis. With delegation of powers by the Ministry of Defence to the Border Roads Organization, the speed of road construction would improve, and the Border Roads Organization would be able to complete ongoing and new projects in compressed timelines.
Of this material world, where things that fade away, yet we keep coming back, 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 keep coming back. Of this material world.